What is going on, guys? Your boy Tonino here. So today we are going to talk about uploading presets into your Lightroom workflow. Okay, so here we are. Here's my screen. So first I would like to remind you guys that I do have presets on sale. If you go to CidadeVisualArts.com and you're going to click on get my preset, you should see a few presets here. This is the Legos Lightroom preset. It has that very airy look into it, and it's definitely a good preset if you're trying to create a more pleasing soft aesthetic. And then there's also the Influencer Deep Blue. This is mainly for like night time photography, darker, moody, but yet very punchy with a lot of colors into it. So just pick the one that you want anyway, and donate, of course, there. So regardless of where you get your preset from, once you get your downloaded, it should be in a zip format like this one right here. So what you need to do once you have it on a zip format, by the way, I'm using a Windows computer. If you're using a Mac, it should be fairly similar. You just need to unzip the file or extract the file. So I'm going to go to extract. Okay, click browse to see where you want to save it to. I'm going to save it on my desktop here. Okay, so I'm going to click extract. It's going to take a while, and here's the file that it just extracted. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we're going to use this extracted file to upload it into our Lightroom. This is our Lightroom. Okay, and this is a shoot that I did last week for a dance team. Okay, so these are all unedited images here at the bottom. So what we want to do to upload our preset, we're going to go to this plus sign here. We're going to click on the plus sign and import preset. It's going to ask us where do we want to import preset from. In my case, because I put it on my desktop, I'm going to look it up on my desktop. It is the CVA preset pack. Okay, 2023 preset pack. I'm going to double click on it, and I'm going to see all these presets in there. So you can either upload it individually one by one, or you can upload the whole folder at the same time. I like to upload the whole folder at the same time, and then later on delete the one that I don't like. So I'm going to select all of them and click import. As soon as you select all of them, it's going to go through uploading process, and bam, here it is right here, 2023 preset pack with all the presets that are inside the pack. Okay, by the way, you can get this pack online at Cidade Visual Arts. So in my case, let's say I like the Cinema 1. Okay, so I'm going to click on Cinema 1, give it some time to upload the settings. I do have background and subject isolation features in there, which makes it a little bit more heavier to process than normal presets. So here we are right here. This is the final preset. So right off the bat, just by looking at it, I noticed that for the specific photo, because when you take photos, the ambient also affect your subject. So what I would like to do here is I find a little bit magenta-ish. So I'm going to reduce the magenta a little bit, and I find it to be a little bit more warm. So I'm going to make it a little bit cooler. There you go, right there. And I find it a little bit flat. So I'm going to add more contrast. Once again, this is just my own personal liking. You change you modify your preset the way you like them, but just remember, any preset out there, I don't care who you get it from, you may need to add some personal touch to make the image fit, to make the preset fit the image and what you're trying to accomplish. So here I am. I've made my adjustments. By the way, you can go all the way down. Maybe in another video I'm going to talk about all these adjustments and how to use them and what impact do they have on your images. Okay, so for me, I'm good right here. So this is how you import a preset into Lightroom CC. If you would like to get another video on how to import preset into Lightroom Classic, let me know. I'll make a separate video on that. But that is all, folks. So thank you so much for tuning in, and remember to subscribe if you are into wedding photography, wedding film. This is the channel for you. I'm going to be making some video to show you guys some of the behind the scene, how I organize my file, what do I do, and my gear and all that stuff. So thank you guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.